Hi, this is Web Report. Those who have seen or now seen a blue screen of death BSOD error with a stop code of IRQL not less or equal, today I'm going to show you how to fix it. Right click on the Start menu, go to the Device Manager, then go to the Network Adapter, expand it, click on the adapter, click Update the driver, click on Search automatically for drivers. Make sure your Windows update is on, then close. Now go to the sound adapter, right click on it, click Update driver, do the same and search automatically for drivers, and close. Now restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please give us a like and subscribe for more videos.